In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Office tasks in ClickUp. Whether you manage Office logistics, HR to-dos, or day-to-day admin, this workflow will give your team a clear, repeatable way to capture work and see progress at a glance. We'll build everything inside ClickUp, starting with structure and ending with easy reporting. First, create your workspace area. Open ClickUp, go to Spaces, and add a new space. Name it Operations so everything related to internal work lives in one place. Inside that space, create a folder called Office Tasks to group all of your day-to-day activities together. Next, create a list within that folder and name it Task Workflow. Each task in this list should represent a single Office task. Think scheduling meetings, ordering supplies, IT maintenance, or staff onboarding. Keeping tasks single-purpose makes them easy to track and complete. Now set up statuses so everyone knows where work stands. In List settings, open statuses and add Not Started for items that haven't kicked off yet. In Progress for active work, waiting or on hold for anything paused or awaiting input. And completed when it's finished. These clear stages let you scan the list and understand momentum immediately. Quick note before we continue. If you don't have ClickUp installed or you want to access it in the browser, there's a link at the top of the description to download the app or go straight to the website and sign up. To organize tasks, add custom fields, create a priority drop-down with high, medium, and low. Add a department drop-down like HR, IT, admin, or marketing. Include a due date field and an assign to field so ownership and timing are always visible and filterable. For repetitive work, build a task template. Create a new task called Office Task Template and add a checklist covering the common steps. Identify requirements, assign a responsible team member, set the due date, complete the task, and review or approve if needed. Save this as a template so you can apply it to similar tasks in seconds. As work comes in, assign an owner, set deadlines, and use subtasks if a task has multiple steps or contributors. For tracking, use different views. In Board View, drag tasks across statuses. In Calendar View, see deadlines and any recurring items. In Table View, filter by department, priority, or assignee to spot bottlenecks. Finally, review the list weekly, mark items complete, archive old work, and duplicate your template for recurring tasks. That's it. Your office operations are now organized and visible. Thanks for watching.